Hello there and welcome back to International Fathers. I'm your host and your creator, Nelson L. Moody Sr. We're still talking about definitions and or meanings of terminology used in the court system that attorneys may use and judges may use that you may not understand. Until now, you have the power, you have the tools to learn and to retain up here and to use in your favor and to your advantage. With that in mind, we go straight to the definitions. Motion to quash subpoena means to annul or to make void or to terminate, to suppress or subdue or to crush. Why would an attorney want to quash a subpoena? Because he or she may be wrong. He or she may not have enough evidence that can be held against you in not establishing custody of your child or children. And in plain language, it means to try to stop an action with court papers. Again, what will he or she be hiding if they want to quash a subpoena coming from you? It makes you go, think about it. A client is a person or entity that employs a professional for advice or help in professional's line of work. And in plain language, a client is just a person who pays someone to represent them. I'm the client and I'm paying this attorney to do what I can do, to represent myself in the court of law, because I know the legal terminology and I know how to effectively use it with preciseness. Try that one on for size. Interrogatory. A written question, usually in a set of questions, submitted to opposing party in a lawsuit as part of a discovery. You have all these questions listed for the opposing party to answer in reference to your case. And we're still talking about custody of a child or children. The plain language to that is pages of questions to form a legal document for either party. Interrogatory. That's all it is. And make it sound hard. It makes it sound this tall when it's like that. Not big at all. Not big at all once you learn it. Cross-interrogatory. In interrogatory form, a party who has received a set of interrogatories. And in the plain language of that, a person responded. That's it. Cross-interrogatory. Respond to the interrogatories that the person sent an interrogatory. It's not confusing at all. It's not confusing. Just a list of questions that they answer and they send, that's all. A person who responds to an interrogatory by answering the questions of the interrogatory. That's it. That's as plain as it can get. Nothing hard about it. No process. I love this one. I truly love this one right here. A motion by the prosecuting attorney in which he declares that he will not prosecute a case. Used when extenuating circumstances indicate that although a crime has been committed, it is in best interest to forego prosecution. That don't sound too good, do it? You mean to tell me I'm seeking custody of my child or children, and you had some information on the opposing side that was damaging to them, and you had the case in all process? And we're talking about what's in the child's best interest. But something may happen on that side, and you have a null process. I think you're hiding something. And in plain language, it means action taken to dismiss a case, even though there's enough evidence to convict or prosecute someone. And we're not trying to convict or prosecute no one in a child custody case. We're just going to put the facts out there. But we have to null process some evidence that will hurt your party. You'll do all that. And it's wrong when you do that. Totally wrong. Obstructing justice. Interference with the orderly administration of law and justice as by giving false information, to withholding evidence from a police officer or prosecutor, or by harming or intimidating a witness or a juror. And in this, we're still talking about child custody case, obstruction of justice. And in plain language, interfering with justice, being served by perjury, lying to the court. Yes, you have attorneys out there who lie to the court. Yes, you have attorneys who lie to the court, and the judge know that. You know all of this. Don't get reprimanded. Why? They school trained. You just intelligent. That's all. Intelligent. But after learning all this information here, we have a long way to go. We'll be able to infiltrate the judicial system. Infiltrating the judicial system. And in plain language, that means break the walls of the judicial system down. The knowledge that you have, the knowledge that you gained in reference to custody of your child or your children. Engage in action. Move to your target. Move to your target. Navigate through the judicial system. And in plain language, it means move swiftly. Nobody can touch you, because you have everything right. Your I's are dotted, every T is crossed. You can get more information about my books. www.nelsonlmoodysenior.info. You can also contact me at nelmoody, the number 7. NELMOODY, the number 7, at yahoo.com. And once again, I'm Nelson L. Moody Sr., your host and your creator of International Fathers, and you're at the Nelson L. Moody Sr. Studios. And once again, fathers, call your children. Children, call those fathers. Fathers, hug those children. Children, hug those fathers. Until next time.